Welcome back to Mike's Rusty Finds. Today we are going to work on the brakes on the passenger side of this old rig and see if we can't clean it up a little bit and put a new wheel cylinder on it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the internet. Today we're going to be taking off the brake drum from the right hand side of this 1956 F500, and let's find out how crispy this side is. The other side was pretty disgusting and full of creatures and whatnot. Let me put you down here and I'll get this thing off. Yep, just as disgusting as the other side. Just as rotted out. And sure, we have another wheel cylinder to put in here. This bearing is pretty dried up, but if it's like the other one, it'll clean up just fine. Okay guys, eviction time. We'll come back when we get this cleaned up. Now what you really want to do is put all your parts in one bag. That way when you lose the bag, you lose everything. Okay. Well, got everything stripped off of the passenger side. Kind of strange, the brakes weren't working. Yep. Okay. Now I got to take this rusty mess off of here. And she's all put back together with a new wheel cylinder. And looks much better. I've got a new hose attached. Got a plug to keep the critters out. If you like what you're seeing, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.